Hello everyone, myself Prem Kasi, Chartered Accountant and Company Secretary. Welcome to our channel Global Finex. In this particular video, I'm going to discuss with you all what has exactly happened with Squid Game token hack. A real dump of 99.99% in less than 5-minute time. And also apart from this, to make the video more and more interesting, more and more informative, I'm also going to discuss some of the points that we need to consider when we are analyzing a new cryptocurrency project like this. Well, so without wasting time, let's start. What exactly is this Squid Game and token? I think many of you might be knowing, right, the Squid Game, which is the trending #1 in the Netflix for the last, I can say, the 1 week. Well, so I mean that's based on the South Korean drama or a game which says that if you want to play a game properly, you'll be alive. If you are playing something wrong or something not considering the rules, you will be dead or you will be out of the game. So similar way, on the similar concept, with the similar idea, this particular Squid Game project has came out with a new gaming platform which is called a Squid Game, and you can see the website right here. And regarding the website, I'll explain you in a little bit of time. Well, so just to see the token fundamentals before talking about the core topic. So this is here we have coin market cap, and here you can see the particular token which is called Squid Game. The code is SQUID with the maximum supply of 800 million count. Well, that's the maximum supply, and you can see the current price, which is the $0.003. And yeah, so talking about the pricing, what exactly the pump and the dump. Well, let's see. So this is something, the project which is launched on October 26th, hardly 1 week back, and with the initial price, it's $0.012. And from there, within 3 days from that particular October 26th, it has made an all-time high of around $40. That's not a small thing at all. 0.122 within a 3-year span, $40. And now what has happened on November 1st is that today, 6 a.m. London time, the opening price is around $38. I think I'll show you right here. Yeah, $35. From there, it has made in a 1 hour around $90. In the next 1 hour, which means around 8 a.m., it is around $180. And in the next 1 hour 30 minutes, that is approximately 9:30 UK, London time, you can see the price of $2,861. That's the all-time high, not in a day, within a span of just 3 hours. Well, so that's the impact, that's the pump this particular token has given within a short span of 3 hours. And you know how much investors have felt about this FOMO. Due to that thing, they have invested more and more and made a market cap of around $13 million. Yeah, and after dumping, you can see it's hardly 2 million, where you can say within a span of 5 minutes there is a slash of or a dump of $9 million approximately. Yeah, that's the big impact the crypto market has seen today, setting it an example for the new cryptocurrency investors. Well, that's also a small thing, but now let us see how did they do it. Well, so let me show you the facts in the chronology, and before that, let me give a brief introduction to the website. So here is the website. So they have created this website with the concept that you need to buy the Squid token so that you can play this game, and so that you can earn so and so points and so rewards in the form of Squid tokens. Yeah, that's a gaming strategy, and it is closely representing the token. The concept, the theme, the way the rewards are given is closely based on the realistic game, which is Squid Game, which is available in the Netflix. Well, so even they are claiming that they have tie-ups with a lot of projects. Like I can show you the partnerships, which is BSC, OpenSea NFT, Netflix, Microsoft, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko as well. Well, so I don't believe them because it's a shitty project, and I don't believe if they say that this is what the integrations they have in a span of 5 days or max 1 week. Okay, and this is the members. You can see some of the members claims that they are working in Netflix for the last 5 years, and they are founders, or a lot of educations and a lot of graduates are being shown as a qualifications right here, which I don't believe, of course. Yeah, that's the website they have. And just to see how they started this particular hack. Well, so just like any other crypto project, they also have a community which is almost Twitter, Telegram, or their own website as well, and they're having followers approximately 80k to 90k. Well, So at a particular point of time, say 12 a.m. roughly, so the developers has posted in the Telegram group that someone is trying to hack our project, and not only the Twitter account but also the smart contract, and we are trying to protect it, but it is still abnormal. And in a nutshell, they can't do anything. I mean, they are not able to do anything, and they just told that inconvenience is highly regretted and nothing more than that. So you might ask me, sir, what about the joiners in the Telegram group? What are they doing? Are they replying something, or are they responding to it so that they can get some reply? No, that is not happening. Like you can see that there is no reply button. They just disabled it. Okay, that's what happened. And they can't do anything except reading that post 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, or whatever. Well, so that's the first thing. That's the first hint they gave. And the second hint is that from the Twitter. From the Twitter, even due to these activities, the Twitter users are notified to the Twitter saying that some unnatural activity is going to happen, and Twitter has suspended this. And also even CoinMarketCap also has given a notification on the face of the web page saying that this is something no longer functional and something is wrong gonna happen. So please be diligent, please be careful when you are using this particular token, and please avoid it. So with all this happening, what has happened at some fine time, within a span of 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, but yeah, just a few seconds, there is a dump from $2,861 to 0, literally 0, making it 99.99% dump in a span of 5 minutes hardly. Yeah, so here what these developers have seen, they have taken the liquidity out of the smart contract. They just, since they are the developers, they know what loophole and with what we can pull out all the liquidity, calling it as a rug pull. They did that, and since there is no liquidity, investors like us are never able to sell the tokens that we are handling. As a result, they have gained approximately 2.5 billion worth of BNB. Yeah, that's their gain as a result of this particular rug pull. And the almost $9 million worth of capital has been lost from all these investors. Yeah, that's all about the hack. Hope you enjoyed understanding this particular hack, and now I'm going to share you some of the key things that you need to keep in mind when you are analyzing a new cryptocurrency projects like this. The first one is the purpose. Just to see, there is no absolute purpose here. It's just the hype with that they created this, and they just want to make some money out of it. There's no purpose. There's nothing like, at least something like a Doji, something like a Shiba. At least they have, I know that's not relevant to code, but at least they have some minor purpose. But this absolutely shit. Second thing is the audit. So what about audit? Is it like auditors haven't audited this particular project? No, they have audited. I will show you the auditor name as well. It's audited by CoinScope Audit, and there also you can see the disclaimer they gave. We don't guarantee the project as for removing the liquidity, selling off, or some exit scams. We are not responsible for that. If you want to investing, please do your own analysis. That's the level of I can say the confidence these audits are giving. Yeah, so it's not audited, I would say. Well, so the third thing is the less investment. Whenever you want to try your luck on cryptos, invest small. Don't go with 50k, 1 lakh, 60k or 30k, whatever. Just invest some few bucks, few party fund, 10k, or at least minimum to minimum 1k, 2k, enough. Just see the trend, and then if you are gaining something, maybe you can expand or buy on the dips, but never invest like this, and you will end up seeing these things happening. And even I came up recently across some of these limitations, some of these hacks, liquidity, rug pulls and all. So don't invest more. Fourth thing is, don't go with the hype. If you're going with the hype, remember there is a bubble and that will definitely break out. Fifth point is the lifetime. Analyze the lifetime. Just to see, in this example, it is only 5 days or max 1 week, hardly 1 week. And within the 1 week, it is making 1 lakh percentage times of gains, pumping. That's absolutely next to impossible, and you can fairly expect this. So be careful when you are analyzing. Just observe the trend lines, the lifetime. And the last thing, and the most important thing I want to show you, is the market. So how many exchanges this particular token is available? Like if you see the PancakeSwap, it is available to approx 98%, which means that if it is hacked, if it is something rug pulled, you can never exchange it with any other exchange. Yeah, so you'll be just left abandoned, and you hardly can do anything. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed learning something new, something about the hacks and how they are planning it, what is rug pull, what is liquidity drilling out, and the morals or the purpose or the things that you need to take care when you are analyzing a project. Yeah, so that is all for today. And if you have anything to ask me, please do mention in the comments. If you have any concepts with which you need to get updated, please do comment so that I'll definitely make a video. And just to sorry guys, I mean, due to some of the other trainings like RPA, blockchain to my CA fraternity, I was a bit unavailable for the last I can say 2 months, but now I'll at least try to make a couple of videos in a week, if minimum to minimum if possible, so that the channel will be keeping on running. So thank you for your love, and we are currently approximately 13k subscribers. That's not a small number, and thank you for the love. Please do like the video if you like my explanation. Please do share it. Please do give your feedback so that we'll make it more enhanced. Thank you for watching. Signing off, Prem Kasi.